Okay, here we are back at the bee package. Diane's using a screwdriver to open up the top of the delivery box. And where's your bee tool? But anyway, she's opening up the bee box, and inside we're going to find the queen. This is a temporary feeder, I think. That can right there.
Yeah, I think so too.
Just pull it off. Here, I'll hold it while you pull it off.
Okay.
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 So inside there, kind of.
Let me go get my tool. Be right back.
There's a tool made for, it's called the beehive tool. There it is.
Let's see if this works better.
Yeah. Just let me hold it while you do the other side.
Okay, here it comes. Ooh, that feels very heavy.
And it just got a lot of stuff left in it.
Okay, here comes some bees.
Where's your bee brush?
Okay, well I don't want
Just
the
use
bee
your hand.
brush.
Just use your hand. You got a whole bunch of them on the bottom.
I know.
Okay.
So we'll do like that. And there's my queen. Don't get too close because I'm going to get nervous, and I don't want to get nervous. Okay. Shoo, shoo, shoo.
Just move slowly.
I will. Can I have a little bit of room because yeah, I'm a little claustrophobic. Come on, little bees. Okay. They're stinging. You can feel them vibrating.
Yeah.
Yeah. What did I do with scissors?
Where's your smoker?
No, I don't want the smoker. I don't have enough hands. Let's get you guys out of the way. Out, out, out. Out,
They know the
out.
queen's in there.
Yeah, they do know the queen is in there. Okay. Okay, good. Okay. And then the nail. Oh, she's a beauty. Can you see the queen in there? Here.
Yep. Let's go over to the other, away from here.
Let's go in the sun so you can really see that queen. Look at how pretty she is. Can you see her, how big she is even, and how they're tending to her?
Yep.
I need to be over someplace because I have a nail and I have little things and gloves on it. It's kind of hard to work at the moment. And I lost my nail. There it is. Ah, poopy.
What do you need that for?
I need to pull the plug out.
Oh. Want me to do that?
No, I don't. Okay. Okay. Be careful because they're by the face.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Oh, okay. I can
Well,
kinda see.
just focus on getting that out. You don't need to show me.
I know that.
And then you're going to put it right in the
I know
cage,
that, but I
right?
can't see. So at least now I can see. Okay. And you can see the
Okay.
candy in there. It's a little plug.
Oops, I'm
Right.
looking at your glove.
That's okay.
Yep.
All right. See that?
Cool.
Now I'm going to put her in the bottom. Oops. I want to squash those big worker bees. Come on, ladies. All right, very good. Come on up. Come on. Sorry. I don't want
Okay.
to squish you.
Just turn it over.
I know, but it's hard with the gloves. There we go. Okay. There we go.
Yeah, that's the way you want it.
Perfect. Okay. I'm gonna stick that right there. Now I'm gonna go get our bees.
Okay.
Okay, I'll be right back. I'll go over there.
Yeah, are you going to slap them down?
Yeah, I'm gonna walk over there.
Okay.
Look at that. Can you see? Wow, look at all those bees in there, honey.
I know, they're honeybees.
Yeah. Okay.
You're going to slap them down like they
Yep.
did?
Mm-hmm. Okay, here we go. Are you ready? Wow, look at them all. Look.
Yep.
Can you see them?
You bet.
You'll be fine. Okay, here we go. Oh, they're getting that diatomaceous earth. I don't like that. Okay, I'm gonna back away. Whoops. Whoops. They're all on the ground. I don't want to step on.
That's good.
Okay, stay there. Don't follow me.
This is the new bees. And what the bees are going to do is find the queen box and eat through that sugar bridge that was built in there. And then they're going to go to work, doing whatever it is bees do to build the brood nest.
Be careful of your face, honey.
I am.
All right.
The bees got a way of getting out of the way of stuff like this. Why don't you put that one, the other one on the end? The crooked one, you see it?
Let me do. Okay. I'm fine.
Okay. Bring your bee tool back with you.
I will.
Just thinking I shouldn't have these red gloves.
This is red, baby, so I don't think that's a problem.
Perfect.
Okay. Woohoo! So there's that. We have water there. Oh, I could probably use this to get some of the bees out. Yeah. Where did I? Oh, there they are.
I think if you just leave it sit there, they're going to come out. You know what?
Well, some of them are dead.